Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make a lab build and apply discount function. Here we need to create a function apply discount that will take two parameters, price and discount. Function should to return final price after applying the discount in the percentage. We have user stories. It is 8 of them. Let's went through all of them step by step. Number 1, we should define a function named apply discount. After this, we will run the first test to check how everything is working. Number 2, apply discount function should take exact two parameters, price and discount. Let's pass them into the function. Number 3, if price is not a number, float or int, the function should return the string, the price should to be a number. In Python, there is a special function that called isInstance that is taking two parameters, first is variable and the second is a data type. According to the documentation, the second parameter data type can be passed as a tuple, so we can put int, float to check both of them simultaneously. Step 4 is basically the same, but this time we are checking discount. And we have to return the string, the discount should to be a number. Number 5, if the price less or equals 0, we should return the string, the price should to be greater than 0. Number 6, if discount is less than 0 or greater than 100, we should return the string, the discount should to be between 0 and 100. We finally implemented all the edge cases. Now we need to count the final price. First, we need to convert a discount percentage into discount price. And to get the final price, we need to extract discount amount from the price. Okay, we solved the lab. Thank you for watching, like, subscribe. Final solution will be available on my GitHub repository in a link below. Bye bye.